Hello, you are on the Robbie Fletcher channel. Now I will show you the bot for the Ronin wallet. To be precise, for the game Axie Infinity. The bot performs all the necessary attacks for you. The bot is a free helper program that can be downloaded from the link in the description. Now you can watch the automated work of the helper bot. I don't click on anything. If anyone does not know what an Axie Infinity game is, then listen. In short, Axie Infinity is a game based on blockchain and NFT technologies. It allows players to earn cryptocurrency